this is how you view the group policy object settings on a Windows server, and we're going to use the platform of Windows Server 2016 to get this information. So we go down the bottom left-hand corner, we click on the magnifying glass, we type CMD, Charlie Michael David, enter, and then we are going to type the command RSOP, R-S-O-P, Roger Sam Oscar Papa. And you must have high-level privilege, near administrative privilege on your machine for this to work properly. It's going to go through its progress. And it gives you the screen here. And we can get a wealth of information from the results on the RSOP, result set of policy. We go into computer configuration, for example, Windows settings, security settings, and then we can go into, from there, we'll go into the local policies, and we'll go to security options here. We have a plethora of information that is available to us because of that actual command. For example, we know that click on computer setting, we can see what's enabled. The only one enabled on this machine, which is a bare build, is network security, do not store LAN manager hash value, and next password change. And that is set up and explained. Do not store LAN manager hash value and next password change. This security set determines if at next password change, the LAN manager hash value for the new password is stored. The LAN manager hash is relatively weak and prone to attack as compared to the cryptographically stronger Windows NT hash. Since the LM hash is stored on the local computer in the security database, the passwords can be compromised if the security database is attacked. So this is set to enable. So it is a hash of passwords. It's a weaker hash, but it's a hash of passwords. But if you look here, just in this one section, there's so many default policies that can be enabled on any domain or any domain member or any individual machine for that matter, that will allow you to craft a more secure, a more controlled, a more restricted machine, which will ultimately help it be more efficient and, more importantly, more safe and secure. And this is how you view the currently active GPOs on any Windows server.